Hi Dresser Cuties! Today we're going to draw a penguin from Squishy Squuooshems. So let's get started. To draw this cute penguin, we're going to first start by drawing its beak. So I'm going to start here and draw a curve for the top of the beak, about that wide, and then I'm going to connect it with a V. So find my center, so about right here, and go back up. And then from there we're going to come, well, let's do the eyes first, a little bit easier. So from the beak we're going to go and draw the eyes. So kind of like where you started right here on the beak, just come out a little bit and just a tiny bit up and just give yourself 2 points. I'm going to do that on the other side. So it's just a little bit more even. And then from here, to this point, I'm just going to draw a curve. Draw a curve for the eyes. Very happy eyes. And I'm just going to go in here and thicken this curve. And then same thing on this side. It's just a nice size curve. And then from there, let's add some lashes on the end. So I'm just going to go 1 and 2 on both sides. There, so now we have the eyes and the beak, and now we can draw the rest of the body. So let's come right above this beak right here and just draw a smaller curve on top of the beak. So really close to the beak, we're just going to draw another curve. And from here, we're going to start to draw a big curve around this eye. So I'm going to start with this one. Just going to go up, all the way around towards this lash right here. And so let's do the same thing on this side. So I'm just gonna eyeball it, try to make it as even as possible. I'm gonna drag this point across so that it's just a little bit more even. So about right here. So I know that's about how high to go, just like the other side. And from there, I'm gonna once again aim towards the edge of the eye right here, just like the other side. And stop. So from there, now that I have it nice and balanced, I'm going to start to bring this down. So I'm going to bring this curve down below the beak. So I'm going to bring it all the way down, say about right there. And let's do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to drag my point right across, about right here. And connect it. So then from there, now I can draw the rest of it. So I'm going to come out once again. So this part is all up to you how tall you want to make your penguin, or how fat or skinny. So this is all up to you. So if you want to make it shorter, just shorten this, fatter, widen this, is all up to you. So I'm just going to bring it down. I'm aiming for kind of like an ovalish shape. So I'm going to bring it down more, a little bit taller, and then about right here I'm going to round it off and connect it. There. Okay, so then now I have this shape in, now I can draw the outside. So to make it easier, I'm going to come about right here where the eye is, because I know it's kind of narrow right here, so it's the easiest part for me to start. I'm going to come about right here, and I'm going to aim for the top. So just to make it easier for me, I'm going to bring us from the center right here, drag a point all the way up, so about right here. You don't have to do this, it just gives me an idea of where to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and curve all the way up. Nice round curve all the way to here. And then I'm just going to bring it down on the other side. And once again, I'm going to get really close to this, just like the other side. There. So now I can just go ahead and bring this all the way down for my eggish shape. And I'm going to come really close to this. So bring it all the way down, and then I'm going to start to taper it as I come to the bottom. So same thing on this side. Tapering, and then just go ahead and connect it right under. There. Now we got our little pillow penguin in here. And then from there, we're pretty much done, but I'm gonna add a little heart here because it's my Draw So Cute penguin from Squishy Squuooshems. And the original pillow does not have any flippers, but I'm gonna add it right here and see if you like it or not. If you like it, just go ahead and add it. I'm gonna add them right here on the side. I just felt I needed a little touch right there. So I'm just gonna come here, kind of like a U slanted. So same thing on this side. Round off the edge and come back up. So there, that's my version of the penguin from Squishy Squuooshems. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.